Let's declare a variable. Let's go $, and you can call it whatever you want, but I'm gonna call it root folder equals to open and close quotations. Now inside the quotations would be the path of where I want to look into to output the content. Awesome. Now on line 3, we're going to declare another variable and we're going to call it output file. Where do we want to drop our content into? So open and close quotation, a environment variable. So $env colon user profile backslash, we're going to do downloads backslash again, and whatever name you want to give this. So for this example, let's go files dot CSV. Make sure that you add the extension. Use the command of get child item. I'm gonna hit tab to auto complete it. We're gonna use a switch of path, tab to complete it. We're going to do $, and we're gonna call out our first variable that we declared, which was root folder. Awesome. We're going to hit a space, and with that space, we're going to call out another switch, would be file. Beautiful. And we're going to call another switch, and we're going to do recursive. Awesome. We're going to pipe this, and within the pipe, we're actually going to do a for each object loop. So for each object, hit the tab. We're going to open up wiggly brackets. We're going to hit enter and we're going to tab it. Now from here, we're actually going to create a PowerShell custom object database, or hash table, or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to use open bracket ps custom object, and we're going to close the bracket. We're going to do a @ we're going to do a wiggly bracket. This is up to you of how you want to build your script. I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to hit tab. And from here, I'm going to do folder name. And that's going to equal to $_ period. And we want the directory name. So we're going to do directory. And we're going to use a sub attribute of directory. And that's going to be name. Awesome. IntelliSense, if it's enabled and it's working properly, is actually going to help you out and give you these tooltips, which is awesome. Love PowerShell. I'm going to hit enter here. Let's declare something else. We're going to do subfolder name. That's going to equal to the following. We're going to do $_ period. And this time we're actually going to use directory name. You see, it gives us the tooltip, which is pretty awesome. And I'm just going to select what I want and just hit tab. We're going to do space. We're going to use a logical statement or a switch, and that's going to be replace. And we're going to do a regular expression. So from here, we're going to do open bracket. We're going to do regex, which is regular expression. And we're going to close it with another bracket. We're going to do double colon. Awesome. And the double colon, again, it gives you those two tips. What we want to use escape. So I'm just going to use the arrow key, hit enter. We want to do escape. It's automatically going to give us an open parenthesis to add what we want within our regular expression. So our regular expression, escape, we want to call out root folder. We're going to close it. We're going to get a comma because this regular expression has two variables. It has A and B. We define A, which is root folder, and the other statement for this regular expression is going to be open and close quotations. So I'm going to give a space, open and close quotations. Nice. We're going to hit enter. We're going to declare another name, and that's going to be file. So folder name, subfolder name, and whatever else that we're creating within the PS PowerShell custom object is actually going to be displayed within our spreadsheet. We're also going to use file name equals to, we're going to do $_ period. Gotta love those tooltips within PowerShell. and the one that we want is name. Just hit tab to autocomplete, hit enter. And the last thing that we want to retrieve within our directory is the full path. So we're going to do full path equals to $_ period and full name. Look at that. It gives you the tooltips. We're going to hit enter. We're going to go back one. Let's go back, and we're going to close the wiggly. Now, the wiggly is basically the PowerShell custom object. We haven't closed the for each loop as of yet, but let's hit enter. Let's go back. Now we're going to close the for each object. So it is time for us to export it out. So we're going to pipe it again, give it a pipe, and we're going to use export CSV. We're going to use a switch of path, and we already declared a path, which was line 3. So we're going to do $ output file. Gotta love IntelliSense. It's just awesome. Those two tips makes a difference. We're going to use another switch of no type information. That's it. This is the script.